Watch out! There might be a little mouse running on your rooftop and coming down through the chimney. In a house at the end of the street, out of the chimney, quiet and discreet, a mouse peeked around and sniffed the air, wondering what fun he'd have out there. A hungry cat was on the lookout, but the mouse grinned and hurried out. "Catch me if you can," he squeaked with glee. He ran on the street, wild and free. He ran past the houses 1, 2, 3, 4. The neighbors laughed from door to door. A memorable sight on this quiet street. A chimney mouse, so quick on his feet. You can watch again and use any little ball or a hacky sack or even a rolled up pair of socks to follow along with the movement. It was throw and over, behind and switch. And then with your other hand, up and over, behind and switch. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, press like, and join me in one of my classes where we will have fun with rhymes, poems, stories, and of course, lots of movement. So this was Wonderstand, Miss Karin. See you later.